How to log into Kwik Trip Credit Card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be guiding you guys on how to access your Kwik Trip Credit Card online account quickly and easily. To get started, first of all, you have to launch your preferred web browser in your mobile device or your computer. And then after, in the top search result, navigate to the official website of Kwik Trip Credit Card Login. Simply enter the Kwik Trip Credit Card Login and hit enter in your keyboard. After that, click on the link that is indicating Kwik Trip Loyalty Sign In option. And once at the website, you will see the options to either sign up if you're a new user or log in if you already have an account. If you're logging in, enter your email address and your password, and you can choose to enable the Remember My Login option for easy access next time you log in. So in the case if you have forgotten your password, simply click on the Forgot Password link over here, which is highlighted in red color. And from here, you need to enter your correct form of your email address and request for the password reset. And a password reset link will be sent to you through your email. Follow the link to reset your password securely. After resetting your password, log in again using the new credentials. And upon successful login, head to the credit card section where you can explore your credit card dashboard and manage your Kwik Trip credit card efficiently. If you encounter any issues during the login process, feel free to reach out to the Kwik Trip's customer support for their assistance. So that's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and guide on various topics. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.